everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, in this video I will talk about that is Apple going to make a foldable smartphone or not. Viewers, if you talk about the positive of year 2020, we have seen many unique designs and boom in the smartphone. At least now we can't say that design of smartphones are boring. We have already seen different leaks and rumors about the foldable and rollable mobile phones which are coming in 2021. If you talk about specifically Apple has launched iPhone 12 and it seemed like the design that they started in 2010. Viewers, Apple is not like that. They want to be rushed just for the sake of being first. Apple is waiting just to make sure the maturity of this new technology, rollable and foldable mobile phones. When this will be matured and the consumer will be adopted to this and they will like to use, and all consumers will going to shift to foldable mobile phones, then Apple will come to this. Even after the maturity of this technology and when the consumer will adopt this foldable and rollable mobile phones, Apple will take time because Apple don't want to hurt its sale for the iPad. They don't want to decrease in the sale of iPad. So Apple, if they are going to do the foldable mobile phones, then they may decrease its tab sales. So Apple is not going towards the foldable and rollable mobile phones yet, and even they don't have any plan to launch a rollable or foldable mobile phones in the year 2021. We will see when they will launch. Hopefully, if the users will all users will shift to the foldable and rollable mobile phones, then Apple will think and then they will strategize that how they can maintain their iPad sales. So let's see what's going to happen. I will keep you updated and share this video with your friends. Thank you.